Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the 2005 fire truck and fire car. And the truck itself has two lights that can rotate. It also has a not so great interior, but it does have a good looking front. I like the color red on this one. Now this is a pretty tallish ladder. But what you do to unleash the car here is you press this button. And then out comes the car. And this car, it's like not really a wind-up, but like, I don't know what the type of car it's called, but you go like that and it keeps on going. Now, there's some lights on it. The lights are working. Here's a size comparison. Quite a big difference in the vehicle size. This one doesn't have any interior details. This part barely has any. But let's look at the lights on the cars. Here the lights actually work. Here's them on their side. Other side. And also from the rear. There only seems to be 2 lights on the inside. But overall, we can just turn off that. We can just put in the car, close it up like this, and then now we get to put it to our collection of cars that we reviewed, or Hess trucks. Overall, I say that this one has the best looking color, and it's definitely the most like rock solid. But the 2002 Hess truck does definitely have the better side vehicle. Overall, I would say that this is like a 7.5, maybe, but it's definitely a good truck. See y'all later. Please subscribe.